I do not like these cats, man.
They stay close together.
I'm just looking over my shoulder every chance I get. I'm not at the top of the food chain no more. I think it just kind of blows my mind how sneaky and quiet they can be. So you never know. You always feel like you got eyes on you when you're in the cat territory. Hey, come check this out.
Huh?
Look at this.
What?
That's fresh
Oh,
blood,
yeah,
right?
that's blood. Fresh blood clot, look at that.
Wonder what that's from.
That's maybe two animals was fighting. You can see better than me, so keep looking for blood. What?
Right here, right here.
What?
Right here. Oh, I almost stepped in it.
Jesus, look at that thing. Pull it, can you pull it out?
Fine, he's wrapping up.
Oh. Pee-wee, watch him, Pee-wee, watch him. Grab him, Pee-wee, grab him. That's your chance, Pee-wee. Oh! Hey, that one ain't getting away.